All right, guys, welcome into another recap. It's day 2 in the Trader Team house, and it's my turn to do the recap. Exciting news, we're gonna have Tim tomorrow on. He's back. He's here to close his road to a milli. But anyways, let's get the party started here. We have Pastor in the house.
Hey
He um
friends,
he was just trading right now. What was the stock you were trading?
SLE.
SLE. Fortunately, Pastor got booked on this hold down. But he did a good job managing risk. It was a small loss for him. Tim and some of the other guys are still trading SLE, but we're finding that the spreads and the weakness is not making it worth it. I did trade this thing as well. Um, we have a hat on the house as well.
Yeah, this is my goddamn computer, brother.
Indeed.
What you looking for?
Let's see if anybody posted. We're booked.
This is
Check
your
out
chance
this.
to buy the chat room, guys.
As you can see, not even the mentors get freebies.
No one's getting the free.
So if you want to join the chat room, time to pay. Alice up 500 bucks. Tim is grunting here to my side. Everything good?
AIXC, man. Missed the last two solid opportunities. Let's halt it up again.
Show them.
Oh yeah, shit. So I am green on the day.
Yeah,
I'm
not like
actually
myself.
carrying the entire trading team house over my shoulders this morning.
Hmm.
Savvy, I think he's down like 3 grand.
3.7, yeah.
Ohad, unfortunately, he's down like
2,900.
2,900. RT's down like $1,000. Tim is down like $800. So I think we pretty much break even from my green day and the red days. But let's quickly go over the stocks that I traded and some of the setups. SLE is the one that I just traded. I did not trade it at the market open. Instead, I jumped in for this. What a mess of lines is this guy. I jumped in for the breakout of this pivot right here. So we had a double top right against 450, and I figured that short sellers were going to be piled short against that. So whenever we started getting that big boss volume coming in, I jumped in against 450 and was selling into the move on that first trade. From there, jumped in the first pullback, second pullback, the third pullback failed. I lost like 300 bucks on this pullback. And from there, I was already satisfied with my green day, so I didn't feel like pushing my luck at the market open. We're also in vacation, so we're about to head out and explore some of the parts of town. So didn't push my luck there. From there, I also traded. I also did pretty good on TRUG, TRUG. This was a continuation stock with no breaking news. But if you can see, same setup again. We had a pivot from a few days ago. I know that shorts are piled in short against that level, $2. So I jumped in just below $2, anticipating that breakout, and we saw the push with high volume, pretty much short sales covering, all the way up to 240. So that was good. And then from there, I traded.
You know, I got a shoulder pain, so it's hard for me to like go for the power, but I'll try.
I traded SXTC. This one was another high price that was tricky. Um, on this one, we couldn't quite make it to that pivot of 677. It was a bit of a pump and dump, honestly. Just pushed from 4 to 6 and then it round tripped. I didn't really like the sticker. And to be honest with you guys, we haven't had a clean pre-market mover.
Yeah, you're just a fucking ghost.
Most of these stocks I wouldn't consider a quality. They were just like sketchy, no news, crappy, pump and dumpy stocks. I was able to connect on most of them, so I'm grateful for that. But I was telling Ohad earlier because he was crying over a corner in the house. I was telling like, don't let my green day deceive you to think that we had clean action, because we didn't. And it's one of those days that if you guys are break even or small red, small green, I would think that's a successful day for the type of action we saw. Our A quality setups is a fresh stock with fresh breaking news that goes from $2 to 4, and we didn't have that today. It was a lot of rangy stuff, pump and dumpy stuff. We were playing like a game of hot potato from one stock to another. I don't know, it's a hard day. So if I was small red, I would be okay with it. What else? I also traded BIF. This was a penny stock. This one was a grinder. We went from lows of 39 cents to a high of 62 cents. Again, just like choppy stuff. If I recall, my biggest trade was right here
You trading it?
when we reclaimed VWAP and I was able to
3 seconds.
capture
What are
these
you
two
trading?
green candles. And Tesla's still booking me.
That's the 1 minute though.
Yeah, it's huddling. Spectacular piece on the wrist. We're gonna go later buy one for OHAD.
Yeah,
Well,
because I'm red, you buy it from me, bro.
Yeah.
You hook me up with a goddamn watch, but yeah, the bits are
Um,
still.
But anyways, quick rapid fire recap. We're posting a lot of content on our Instagrams, Mighty Stocks, OHAD, Oren. If you want to check out some of the spots that we're hitting up during the trading team house.
Not crazy.
And also
did
let
my
us
day
know if you
yesterday,
would
right?
like to
You
come
green
to
something
one of
and
these
then
strips.
give it all back.
Maybe we pick a lucky winner in the comments. Leave a comment and be like, I would love to come to a trading team house. And yeah, we'll hit you up. All right, it's been the Mighty. It's been Ohad, Tim, Zavi. Crispy's fucking asleep.
Oh, you can do this.
There's no way I'm trading AXC at this point.
All right. My hair looking crazy because we don't shower here. We roll out of bed and we start trading. We've been trading at 3 a.m., which is kind of nuts.
3 a.m. to lose money.
Shit, stop. What are you doing, brother?
All right. See
Take
you guys
care,
later.
boys.